Hey, first grade, today you're going to get back your Alma Thomas painting. Hopefully you were able to cover the entire artwork with circles last time. Yours probably doesn't have these little pieces of paper glued on it. That was something I was trying, but I decided that I didn't want to have us do that for our project. At each table there should be some paints. Red table probably has red, orange table probably has orange, yellow table probably has yellow. I just put them all on my paper right now. That way I don't have to keep grabbing different sheets of paper with paint on them. And there are also probably some pencils with the erasers on the back, as well as some other erasers. And we're going to use these to actually print all over our artwork. So if I want to use yellow, I'm obviously going to get up, I'm going to walk to the yellow table. And at that yellow table I'll have some yellow paint. And you can print two different ways. You can either use the big eraser, or you can use one of these little erasers. And what you're going to do is just dip it in the paint, and then you may print on that background. Notice how I'm using the same one all the way around. So because I chose this little one, I'm going to use the little one all the way around this ring. You can get quite a few prints out of it before you need to get more. You might notice too that if you go to print with red on top of red, it might not work very well, so you probably have to go and pick a different color than the one that you're printing on top of. When you're done with one color, pick up your artwork and you can go to another table and work with another color. When you get this far and you've printed on top of all of your circles, you have two options. You can either be done, or you're welcome to print on the background as well. I'm going to print on my background just to make it look a little bit nicer. I would double check with me too, just to make sure that I don't have a recommendation for you. Some of you guys might not have had very many circles, and it might be a better idea to go ahead and print some more. So I think I'm going to do a couple of red ones here. And then I could even go, maybe I'll use a little one this time, and I'll do a stripe of a little one. Notice though how they're all going the same direction. Alright, when you get this far, you're all finished. So I start off by doing the circles. Notice that I did the same color on the circle all the way around. Right, then when I got to the next color for the circle, I switched to a new color. So I went purple on top of blue. I did yellow on top of red here. When I got done with that, then I also decided to do some marks on the background as well. Notice how I took the lines all the way across. I also kind of did a pattern where I went red, orange, green, red, orange, green. All right, it's up to you how you do that, but please make sure that they all go the same direction. When you're done, this goes to the bottom of the drying rack.